Roomba S9 or S9 Plus service. Pretty simple. First, to change the filter, just pull this out. And then you have your cartridge style filter. Grab your new one, throw that in. You just want to make sure that both of these arms are lined up to accept it. Then lock it down. Flip it over. Now we have the brushes. So these are worn out, need to be replaced. Normally you would pull the hair off of this from time to time. A lot of people don't do that. So new brushes. Now just to replace front brush. They do include a small screwdriver to pull these out. Definitely clean all this crap off too. New one. Let's make sure it's down and aligned. And then just tighten it back down. No reason to keep this stuff. One other thing to check is your little wheel here. And if there's a bunch of hair and dirt in this, it'll stop it from spinning. These also like to flat spot when they get worn out over time, and they are a replaceable item. You can find new ones of these on Amazon. To clean out the wheel, all you do is get a small flathead and stick it in just like this. And then kind of pop it back and it'll pop this stud out. Do the same for the other side if you need to. Typically you can get one out and then kind of pull it out the rest of the way. Pull everything off, clean the hair off of the axle stud, put the wheel back on, make sure it spins properly, and then pop it back into here and you're good to go. And just run it, see how it does. Don't think we're gonna have too many issues, but we'll see.